Hi, I wanted to drop this video to help you understand the benefits of funnels and why I like the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder. We are an internet marketing consulting group and we've been helping businesses grow their online presence for over 10 years. Today, I want to talk to you about the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder. So let's get started. What is a landing page funnel? A landing page funnel is a series of pages that guide visitors through a specific marketing or sales process. The goal of a landing page funnel is to convert visitors into leads, customers, or subscribers. Why do you need a landing page funnel? There are many reasons why you need a landing page funnel. Here are just a few. To capture leads, you can use landing pages to collect email addresses, phone numbers, or other contact information. To sell products or services, you can use landing pages to promote your products or services and to collect payments from customers. To build an email list, you can use landing pages to offer free gifts or resources in exchange for email addresses. To generate leads, you can use landing pages to promote other businesses' products or services and to collect leads for those businesses. There are many things that make the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder so great. Here are just a few. It's easy to use. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder is very easy to use. Even if you have no experience with web design, you can create stunning landing pages and funnels with ease. It's affordable. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder is very affordable. You can start using it for as little as $19 per month. It's powerful. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder is very powerful. It comes with a wide range of features that allow you to create high-converting landing pages and funnels. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder can help you grow your business in a number of ways. Here are just a few. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder can help you capture more leads from your website. This can lead to more sales and more customers. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder can help you sell more products or services. This can lead to more revenue and more profits. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder can help you build a larger email list. This can lead to more sales and more customers. The Groove.ai landing page funnel builder can help you generate more leads for other businesses. This can lead to more revenue and more profits for those businesses. Want some examples of how the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder has helped businesses grow? Here you go. A software company used the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder to increase their lead generation by 200%. An e-commerce store used the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder to increase their sales by 15%. A service-based business used the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder to increase their email list by 100%. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use, and affordable landing page funnel builder, then I highly recommend the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Here are some additional tips for creating high-converting landing pages and funnels. Use strong visuals. People are more likely to engage with content that is visually appealing. Use high-quality images and videos to capture attention and make your landing pages more persuasive. Write clear and concise copy. Your copy should be clear, concise, and easy to read. Avoid using jargon or technical language that your target audience may not understand. Use a strong call to action. Tell your visitors what you want them to do, whether it's subscribing to. Profile picture. Use a strong headline. Your headline is the first thing people will see, so it's important to make it count. Use a strong headline that will grab attention and make people want to read more. Solve a problem. People are more likely to take action if they believe that you can solve a problem for them. Make sure your landing pages and funnels focus on the benefits of your product or service, and how it can help people. Use urgency. People are more likely to act if they feel like they're missing out on something. Use urgency to create a sense of scarcity and make people want to take action now. Test and optimize. Once you've created your landing pages and funnels, it's important to test and optimize them to get the best results. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your results and make changes as needed. By following these tips, you can create high-converting landing pages and funnels that will help you grow your business. In summary, the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder offers a game-changing solution for businesses looking to create high-converting landing pages and funnels without the need for web development, design experience, or a copywriter. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, AI-generated copy, and SEO optimization, the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder empowers you to create stunning landing pages and funnels effortlessly, accelerating your marketing efforts and driving results. Embrace the power of the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder and unlock new opportunities for your business. So, my friends, don't wait any longer. Get more information on the Groove.ai landing page funnel builder by visiting https://ifggo.pro/groovy. Here's wishing you success and happiness in all your marketing endeavors. Thanks for watching.